Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your daily 5-minute tube update for Bitcoin. Today we have October the 20th, and we will check what's going on with Bitcoin today. Only 5 minutes, I promise. Let's go. And here is TradingView on the summary, 1-day summary. We should buy Bitcoin, 4 hours buy, 2 hours buy, 1 hour buy Bitcoin. Here is cryptocurrency, CoinMarketCap. What's going on with our cryptocurrencies? And Bitcoin is going up 2.9%, nearly 3% in the plus for the day. Ethereum is going up, but only 2%. And the Binance coin is going down a little bit, Cardano going up a little bit, XRP up a little bit, Solana up a little bit, and so on. So Bitcoin is moving on, and the altcoins are moving on not so fast. The biggest winner in 24 hours is OKB, 26%, Yobi token 30%, and Qcoin is going up with 10%. Biggest loser, Phantom, Perpetual, and Flow, but not so much, 5% only. In 7 days, the biggest winner OKB, Zcash, and Qcoin, and the biggest loser Flow, DYDX, and eCash. They are going down really fast in 7 days. So our Bitcoin dominance, what's going on with the Bitcoin dominance? And you can see we won the fight with this big resistance. I'm zooming in a little bit more. You can see it. We won the fight with the resistance. We have it now as a support. So the Bitcoin dominance is still growing, and we have a big problem now. This is the Fibonacci line. I told you, watch this Fibonacci line, 47.7%. And you saw a perfect hit to this line, and now we're going down a little bit. So for the moment, everything is telling us, okay, it's better to trade Bitcoin. We make more gains with Bitcoin as the altcoins because Bitcoin dominance is growing. We need now the Fibonacci. We need now this 47% that Bitcoin can grow more, and then it's better to trade Bitcoin as altcoins. So let's check this, guys. This is the 1 hour time frame. This is the RSI on the downside, and we are start with this RSI. Guys, we saw here I overbought Bitcoin with 72 points, and the big thing is, guys, on the 1 hour time frame we are not overbought and oversold, so the RSI is not so important. But let me show you one thing on the 4 hour time frame. I think it's on the 4 hour time frame. Let me show you. No, it's not on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, guys, forget RSI. It's not so important for the moment. Watch the chart. This is the 4 hour time frame chart, and you can see our big problem. The big problem is our daily line here. This line is coming from Higgy. He found this line here on the daily time frame, and this is a big resistance. And yes, you can see Bitcoin is still on this big resistance. We saw yesterday this was really dangerous. A confirmed closing candle here over this line, now down again, guys. We have now a big resistance at 64,100. We have a next big resistance on this point, 65,000, because this is the last all-time high. So guys, if we can fight over 65,000, everything is possible. Our big targets to the moon, I showed you yesterday. Please watch the video from yesterday. I show you the big targets to the moon there. They are all possible if we can break confirmed 65,000. This would be a new all-time high, and then really everything is possible. Everyone is waiting for this. For the moment, the guys are really unsure if they should make a long. I would not make a long at the moment. I am in a long position. Yes, thanks God. On the downside, I made a long position. I am here in a really nice big long position. So everything is working. But for the moment, I would not make a long position because we must see 65,000 confirmed first. Then everything is possible. I showed you the video yesterday. Please watch this. And now let's check the next thing. What is going on with the ribbon band? On the 4 hour time frame, you can see the ribbon band is here as a big support, 62,500. It's no problem. On the 1 hour time frame, you can see we are fighting now with the ribbon band. We saw big down through the ribbon band since this last pump. Watch this big candles down. So guys, it's possible. And keep that in your mind. It's possible to make a big wick to the downside. This would be a nice buy-in position. So a lot of guys are asking me, buy now? No, we are under the top of this. But guys, if we are make a big spike to the downside, 62,000 maybe, this would be maybe a next buy opportunity if you are not in a long trade, or if you are trying to catch this next candle to the upside. So if you will spike through, this is maybe a next buy position. But guys, attention. If we will break this uptrend here, we may have a big problem to the downside. I showed you also these targets to the downside for 2 days. I think it was 2 days. Please watch the video. It's really important. One video I showed you the targets to the downside. One video I showed you the targets to the upside. So it depends now what's going on here with this big fight with 64,000, 65,000, guys. 5 minutes are over. This is not so much for today, but I promised you we will make 5 minutes. They are over now, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Thank you all for your support. Every nice comment. I'm answering every comment. Thanks, guys. Thank you for your thumbs to the upside. Thank you for sharing all this stuff over the internet. You are helping me to keep this thing here online, to keep these videos online, to make every day 2 new videos, minimum 2. Yesterday I made the ADA video. It's really interesting. Please watch the ADA video, and please, guys, visit my live streams. I have so much live streams out there. ADA, IOTA, Ethereum, 9 cryptos, Bitcoin. So, guys, if you are a trader, please watch this stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. You are Biti, you are Bitcoin trading informant, and very important, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not a financial advice. Bye.
System activated.